Hi crafters, Amy here. This quick little video is different than my normal crafting videos. This is about my Texas adventure to go meet Mary Kay of A Colorful Life Designs in person. Now this adorable animation my 11-year-old daughter Rylan created. She made it on our trip down for this video, so I appreciate you checking it out. Hiya, Amy here, and I am in Dallas, Texas. I am from Michigan. My little family and I here made the long trek in the car to come meet Mary Kay, who owns A Colorful Life Designs, in the flesh, in real life. And I've never met her in person, and this is crazy, and I'm super excited.
Hi. Hi. Can't believe it. I can't either. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good.
Here's a photo of my family right after we got to Mary Kay's house. Now on this trip we ended up spending about a week and drove over 2,700 miles in total, so it was a big trip. Now here I'm showing you the laser in action. I wanted to see this personally, and I thought you guys might find it neat as well. So here is Mary Kay loading up the Mylar into her laser machine. And it was really neat to see how this is done behind the scenes because, you know, we all know and love these stencils, but there's something really neat about seeing, you know, how they're made. So here's the stencil overlapping circles, and she's cutting a few at a time here. So this is just an example of the laser at work. It was really neat. You could see the red light and actually see it cutting out all the little details on this Mylar. So here I'm zooming in. I apologize for my shoddy camera work here. I'm no expert with this sort of filming. But here I'm showing you the tedious weeding process. This is a very detailed little stencil, and you can see she's hand weeding them, poking out all these little bits. And I have this other stencil here to show you in a moment, the currants stencil. And it's really neat. She kind of shakes out the parts that she can over the trash bin to get the little parts out that will come loose. And then she kind of uses this pokey tool to get out all these little detailed bits as well. Now here's the current stencil. You can see this is kind of a different design. So these she can kind of pull out, but she showed me that sometimes this little point here on the end, you need to come in with a razor and just kind of create that last little fine point cut here. So bless her with this. I would be cutting myself every other day, but I just wanted to show you some of the work that goes into creating these awesome stencils for us to create with. See here, she's finding other little nooks and crannies that need to be kind of poked out with this razor tool. So I just wanted to give you this little taste, share the experience. It was very special for my family and I to meet Mary Kay in person. She has become family to us. So this was an awesome adventure, and I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of it. Now below are a couple of my more standard crafting videos if you want to check those out, but I really appreciate you sharing this with me today. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up, and I'll check you next time. Thanks.